Audio Jungle.
IHSM Elite Medical Campus in Essikul is designed only for Indian students in a very low cost price, where when you compare with any Indian medical colleges, we are giving at par quality medical education in ISM Essikul campus. It is possible only because we are bringing up Indian-based medical faculties in the campus, and they are staying in the campus and mingle with the students, and all basic science subjects were teaching by Indian faculties. If you see the past 3 years in ISM Essikul, graduates are giving a tremendous FMG results, which are between 60 to 70% students are passing in their very first attempt. So after these results, our management got motivated, and we are now, even for the clinical subjects, rotations, we are bringing the best clinical Indian teachers in the clinical subjects, and they are also going to give the best medical education to our students. So overall, in ISM Essikul is becoming a best destination for medical education, and with a very comfortable price, we are giving the world-class best medical education.